It's time for Health Coach with Dr. John Catanzaro from the Health and Wellness Institute in Mount Lake Terrace.
On this segment of Health Coach, a better approach to cancer treatment. You know, with all the amazing developments in medical science over the last 20 years, you would think we are getting closer to finding a cure for cancer. There is so much work to be done in this area, and very much so work being done currently. Unfortunately, there are many promising emerging therapies that are stalled, if not completely unheard of, for a variety of reasons that are too numerous to discuss in this short segment. The common therapies out there today, chemotherapy, radiation, surgical options, are the most familiar options given in cancer treatment, and most specialists will confess that they are limited in their options in treatment, especially for resistant cancer types. So I'm going to propose to you the proactive approach in fighting your cancer. It is time to have a more comprehensive approach. Integrative medicine, which basically is natural medicine that actually focuses on getting a person empowered to make healthcare choices that would be proactive in being able to battle this type of disease. Integrative medicine by itself is a very powerful type of medicine, and it has various type of modalities that could be used. For instance, sophisticated intravenous immune support through nutrition, developing specialized vaccines to fight cancer, amplifying the immune system to recognize and fight cancer, dietary changes. I mean, there are so many different things that integrative medicine has to offer. In combination with conventional methods, integrative cancer treatments are known to protect the immune system, minimize bad reactions, and facilitate the process of remission, cancer regression, and even a curative response. You know, the best way to fight cancer, I'm going to summarize in 6 points. The immune system has some amazing fighting cells known as dendritic cells, T cells, killer cells. Your body has the natural elements in it to fight its own disease, and these cells are part of that matrix. Your body will have certain type of antigens that are expressed on cancer cells that are not normally expressed on normal cells. And so therefore the immune system has to be charged in order for it to target those type of cells that are expressing abnormal antigens. The second point is cancer cells can evade detection from the immune system and cause what is known as tumor escape or evasion. For some reason, the tumor thinks that it's okay to live in the environment and just stay there and not be detected by the immune system. And the immune system is the biggest segment of your body systems that would help to fight against this type of abnormal activity. It then becomes necessary for the immune system to become re-educated and amplified against the cancer cells that are escaping detection. And that leads us to the third point, which these powerful immune cells, when amplified with a certain type of tumor-associated antigens or genetic messages, can be directed more strategically to cancer cells and begin the process known as eradication of these cells. So these cells actually are sequestered out and they begin to die more rapidly because the immune system is more proactive against them. When using this in combination with intravenous immune pro-oxidation therapy, intravenous nutritional therapy, alkalinizing the tissues, dietary changes, the proper supplements that are going to facilitate more cancer defense, the immune system is activated against these cancer cells and they begin to die very rapidly and continue to do so in circulation. And then 5, your best action in reversing cancer in your body is to charge your immune system against those invading cells. Integrative strategies, when you combine them with certain conventional approaches in the right blend, can offer very high success in reaching a curative response for your cancer. Number 6, harvesting the elements that amplify the immune system in defense against cancer will be the most promising strategies in the years ahead and now. And so I would encourage you in your cancer fight to look at these proactive ways of developing a better treatment plan, one that combines the best of both worlds to help you fight this disease.
You've been listening to Health Coach with Dr. John Catanzaro from the Health and Wellness Institute in Mount Lake Terrace. For more information, visit ehealthandhealing.com or hwicancerresearch.org or call 425-697-6112. You can also listen to past programs and submit your questions for Health Coach at kcisradio.com.